Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Logical. And in this video, I am going to show you how to Airbnb your apartment. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to Airbnb your apartment, you just simply have to open this Airbnb application at first, and after opening the application, tap to Profile option. And now, after tapping into profile, click into this Airbnb Your Place option and then start earning. Now you just simply have to tap into Airbnb setup option, and now after tapping into Airbnb section, you just simply have to tap into create a new listing into here. Now follow 3 steps in order to Airbnb your apartment. First one is tell about your place. Explain everything about your place, and the second one is make it stand out, meaning you have to send 5 or more photos and plus a title and a description for your place. Then after that, at the end, you just simply have to choose the type of the guest that you want or price list for your place. Now just simply tap into get started, and at the very beginning you will get the option of flat or apartment into the second. Just simply select this flat and apartment option and click to next button. Then after that, you just simply have to select suitable option from here and click to next button. Then after doing this, you just simply have to select your location now and answer all the questions that Airbnb will ask you. Then after that, your apartment will successfully be listed in Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.